For special request, I'm going to show you how to fix a tucked or drop stitch with the circular knitting machine in a little bit more detail. So first of all, one thing you may notice as you are using the circular knitting machine is as you start working, let's say, you're going around a bunch of rows and then all of a sudden you start to see like a random post going across your work, or you may see two posts, something like this, where there's two here, there should only ever be one post right here. This is fixable. You do not have to start all the way over. It's actually a very easy fix. So first thing I recommend is getting a stitch marker that you can easily see, and putting your stitch marker in one of the loops on this side of the actual issue that you see. And that's going to hold it in place because we are going to drop this stitch off and we're going to have live stitches for a little bit. Now we're not going to do the work over here on the right because the loop is actually in the machine. So it's right underneath here. So we don't have the ability to just drop the stitch, which is what we need to do so we can pick it up. So instead, we're going to go around until that stitch marker gets over here on the left. All right, now once this stitch marker is here on the left, we are going to take a hook of some kind and you're going to take that loop off of your pin right there. Then what you want to do is you want to pull those loops to the space that you need to remove. Now this is why having a stitch marker can be very helpful, because if you accidentally keep pulling too much, it will unravel all of your work. So this is just kind of as a safeguard, as you will. So here's our loop and here are our posts. Remember, we had two that were together. So now they're all single, and we're going to stick our crochet hook in. Make sure you pick up all of them. And take this loop over here on the left, put that on your crochet hook. So right now we have all of our loops. They're all straight. None of them are twisting. And then you also have the loop right here. So to fix it, now that you have your crochet hook underneath here, you're going to take the post right behind the loop, put the post over the loop, and then pull your hook through. We're going to do the same thing with the next one. Take your post over the loop, pull through. And you're going to do this all the way down. Whether you caught it early or you caught it with 10 stitches, it's the exact same process. And then you'll be left with just the loop on your hook. Then all you have to do is pull that loop right back over your pin here. Don't let it fall off. Push it down on the sides. And then go around your machine. And I recommend going around a couple times and double checking before you take off your stitch marker. That way you can identify where the issue occurred. Okay, so we've come right back around here and we can see if we give her a little tug, everything is as it should be. And that is as easy as it is to fix a tucked or dropped stitch with the circular knitting machine.